Lego. You guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. This spread turned out so cute. I love the color scheme. I love all the little planner elements that are in this kit because planner girls unite. This is just a very planner-esque kit and it's so cute. And I actually remember that I have Sailor Moon Scout stickers from Glam Planners, so I use them to mark work for this week, and I think that makes it extra cute. Love it so much. So don't forget to tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. And I just want to say thank you to my dad and to Terry Joyce for commenting in my last 2 videos. It means so much to me that you guys have commented, and it always makes my day as a YouTuber. So keep those comments coming and tell me what other content you would like to see on this channel. And if you comment down below in this video, you'll get a shout out in next week's plan with me. If it just made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're going to continue with the magical kits for October, and we're going to be using this charm sheet from Whimsical Plans, which features a lot of like magical elements to it, and I love the gold foil that she used on this kit. You can kind of see it around the kit, and you may have noticed I only have 1 sheet from Whimsical Plans. That's because I actually dug through my leftovers in my planner drawer, and I actually pulled out a whole bunch of leftover stickers that will perfectly match this kit. So I'm going to be using these leftovers in next week's plan with me. So it's going to be very freaking spread-ish. If you're interested in that, I would totally subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can notified when I do post this video, because I can tell you right now that's probably going to be really epic. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media so you can see what other things I'm doing. I have a lot of special posts coming up on Instagram this week, so I would totally follow me on there. I'm so excited about my new Instagram that I've dedicated solely to planner and stationery and all my other interests. So if you want to keep up with me on there, just follow me. The link will be down below. And until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!